Immerse yourself in the allure of coastal Hamptons interior design, where elegance dances with tranquility. This distinctive style draws its charm from the serene sea, the whispering wind, and the golden sand, creating an ambience that is both peaceful and simple. The essence of coastal Hamptons design lies in its ability to transport us to a beachfront haven, a place where time stands still and every moment is savored. In this design philosophy, color plays a pivotal role. It weaves a narrative of airy openness and natural beauty. Soft whites echo the purity of seafoam, while gentle blues mirror the hues of the sky and sea. These colors set the stage for a space that is both inviting and refreshing. Complementing this color palette, natural elements are infused into the design, adding layers of authenticity and comfort. They are the silent whispers of nature in our homes, connecting us to the great outdoors. Indeed, the coastal Hamptons style is a breath of fresh air, a harmonious blend of elegance and coastal grace. Now imagine crafting a space that embodies this serene style. It's a journey, a story unfolding with each design decision. Our first step is the palette. Picture soft whites that echo the foam-capped waves, gentle blues that mirror the sky, and sandy hues borrowed from the beach. These colors set the stage for a space that's both airy and anchored in the natural beauty of the coast. Next, let's talk light. Amplifying natural light isn't just about aesthetics, it's about embracing the sun's warmth, making each room feel alive and inviting. Think of large windows that let the sun pour in, mirrors that bounce light around, and sheer curtains that add a gauzy, dreamlike quality. Now, onto materials. Incorporating natural elements is like extending an open invitation to the outdoors. Imagine the cool touch of marble, the rustic charm of wicker, the warmth of wool. These elements add layers of authenticity and comfort, grounding us in the grace of nature. Furniture selection is where comfort meets style. Picture plush sofas that invite relaxation, sturdy wooden tables that encourage togetherness, and woven rugs that add texture underfoot. Each piece should be a testament to easy living and elegant simplicity, just as the coastal Hamptons style intends. Finally, the decor. Through carefully chosen pieces, we narrate our connection to the coast. Maybe it's a collection of seashells, a nautical painting, or a driftwood sculpture. These personal touches transform a house into a home, adding whispers of the sea to every corner. Remember, the outdoors plays a pivotal role in this design style. Whether it's a porch adorned with lanterns or a garden filled with hydrangeas, the outside should mirror the inside, creating a seamless flow between our homes and the natural world. With each design choice, you're not just creating a space, you're weaving a story of your connection to the coast and the tranquility it offers. Let the coastal Hamptons aesthetic be your guide, and watch as your coastal dream unfolds. With a clear vision of coastal Hamptons design, you're ready to embark on your design voyage. The heart of this journey lies in the personal touches that make a house truly a home. From painting walls with soft whites and gentle blues, to crafting decor that narrates your unique connection to the coast, the possibilities are as endless as the ocean itself. Remember, the coastal Hamptons style isn't just about aesthetics. It's a lifestyle that marries the grace of the coast with understated elegance. So roll up your sleeves and dive right in. Start with heart, choose pieces that speak to you, and watch your coastal dream unfold. Until next time, happy decorating, and remember to share your results. Your journey might just inspire others.